When's Shadow of Israfel 43 coming out? I'm like, fuck off.
Oh, I did have an idea for how to do Shadow of Israfel 43. I'll tell you later,
yeah?
Barry. Yeah.
What?
Don't worry.
Not
it's not
now?
going to happen. Well, not right now, no.
Well, you tell us now. I'm not busy. Are you guys busy?
No, it's such a good idea.
Is it in Roblox, Lewis? If it's in Roblox, I don't want to do it.
No, it's not in Roblox, don't worry.
I've been playing so much Roblox lately. It's really a bit weird.
Who?
Oh.
Who'd you say?
You have Lewis has.
Really?
What? Lewis?
He's been selling hats on
I
Roblox.
keep catching him on Roblox.
What the fuck?
Are you sure?
He's trying to win Just to Impress. He hasn't won
Who are
one
you
yet.
talking about? Me? Lewis?
Yeah.
Roblox? I don't think I've ever played Roblox. Not ever in my life.
Do you want to play a game of Dress to Impress?
Of course he will say that. Dude, I love Dress to Impress. I'll play Dress to Impress with you.
Okay.
Let's fuck off this recording and let's play a game of Just to Impress with Lewis.